Saturday. Nandito kami guys sa Takumi ulit to celebrate the Valentine's Day. And I have here with Jacob. Hi Jacob. Hi my hugging. So we're going to celebrate our Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is our anniversary too guys. We met on Valentine's Day. Samahan niyo kami guys. Okay, see you around. Jacob will start now. You're going to put oil first, right? Guys, para hindi dumikit yung mga ihawin namin. We're gonna grill something here first. Siniserve na nila guys yung mga things. We have kimchi. Order ako ng ginger ale guys.
Just let me know when it's Buddha's Delight.
Miso soup. Miso soup.
No, we ordered it.
Miso soup.
That's the only one for my wife because she's allergic to everyone.
Let me check with the
Yeah,
pictures.
she's allergic to. Yeah, that's right. Thank you.
We have the lettuce.
So this is not the Buddha's Delight, right?
No, that's the black forest.
Black Forest.
Okay. Ito yung una namin in-order guys. Okay. We're going to cook now.
Hindi, mamaya na
We're
to.
gonna put this one now. Chicken thigh, right? Matagal kasing maluto yan. Chicken thigh. What about this one? You have to put also. Try natin guys yung kanilang miso soup. Start na kami.
Yeah, Miss Red yan.
Buddha Delight.
Is this your one? Buddha's Delight.
Oh, this is the one I love. Yeah, this.
Thank you.
I'll
I'll serve it for you, Mike.
Okay. So yun ang sushi ko guys. Ito guys yung sushi. Favorite ko pa.
Yung rice mo. Barbecue sauce, ponzu. Ano yung ponzu? Siguro sa sa sushi ano? Hindi ko lang Hindi parang ano yun? Ha? Soy sauce. Yun nga. Parang soy sauce.
Topo ni Mimi.
Wala si Mang. Gusto mo ng tofu?
I like the tofu. Yes, ang tofu. Valentine's Jacob.
Malakas pala sa oil yung ano, yung brisket na yan.
Can you take out this?
Tingnan to.
Yan na maganda guys dito. Balikan mo itong Chacomay na ito. Okay, this is the salmon guys. The steamed salmon. Parang nasunog siya. Na-overcook po. Ako na. Hinaan mo, Jacob. Ito naman guys ay tofu. Marami yung tofu. Masarap. Ha? Ako, malakas.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's guys! Happy Valentine's!
Sure.
We are here
Food
to
is
celebrate the Valentine's Day.
Food is nice.
At Takumi. This is the second batch guys. Sarap talaga guys. Lalo na yung chicken pie. Salmon is okay. Ito guys, kimchi. Masarap yung kimchi. Yan, ang tahong. Sunog na siya. Kailangan balik pa rin ako. Sunog na siya. Para kang hindi na nabubusog dito eh. Siguro dapat 2 oras ka dito kumakain. Parang ang daling matunaw. Okay na ito. Kasi pag umuusok na guys, ibig sabihin okay na yung salmon. Nasunog na yan. Overcooked. I think we need more chicken thigh. Masarap ng chicken thigh. Nakadalawang balik na kami guys dito. Takumi. Third batch. Third batch na guys. Oh my god. Pero parang mas masarap last time na. Pero ubos din naman.
Dito kasi si Tina noon.
Ang pangalan mo?
Tina.
Shout out Jerry and Simon. Wala kayo. And Lloydie.
Ako kami.
Ah, okay. Lugi lang kasi sila guys, hindi sila makapagluto ng seafoods. Bawal kasi sa akin. Mamaya lang yan, last na yan. Tako,
Saki.
saki, favorite ng tatay ko.
Sakit mamaya nito. Sakit.
Chicken breast pala guys. Crispy. Kasi mamantika siya kaya maulisok. No? Susunod niya yung mantika. Bad cholesterol. Hinta ko ngayon.
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki.
Takotsuyaki. Yun.
Takoyaki. Takoyaki.
Miso soup.
Miso soup. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.
Kampai, kampai. Kampai.
Thanks for watching guys. Busog na guys. Nabusog na ako.
Meron pa tayong dessert. Ay, kinain yung dessert.
Gusto ko. I want what is the best one for dessert?
Ito yung nakuha natin. Yung ano.
Mat sa cream roll.
I don't like matcha creme brulee anymore. I like the other one.
Ice cream.
What is the other one? Ice cream only? Cream brulee. Happy Valentine's guys. We have advanced celebration. Kasi ngayon lang po ako yung asawa ko. So, nagkasabay-sabay kami ng so, kaya sinelebrate na namin yung Valentine's. Dessert namin guys. Creme brulee, ano?
Creme brulee sundae and then ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ito yung palang ng semento.
Strawberry. Okay. Bon appetit.
Gin na. Pilipinas. Pero mas masarap kasi gin sa Pilipinas. Pilipinas.
Yun na. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Yummy.
Ice cream good.
Ice cream good.
Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream creme brulee. Ice cream yummy. Creme brulee yummy.
Ice cream yummy.
No, I like mommy.
Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream mommy.
Good. Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream mommy.
Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream mommy.
Takomi.
Creme brulee. Saki.
Saki. Takomi. Kampai.
Kampai. Saki.
Ice cream yummy.
Moshi. Moshi.